Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to use Grok Imagine. First, open Grok AI in your browser. Once you are logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, select Imagine. You will see a new page. At the bottom, there is a prompt box. This is where you can type what you want Grok to create. On this page, you also have a few options. You can generate an image or a video. You can also change the aspect ratio if you want your result to be a different size. Next, type your prompt in the box. For example, you can describe a scene, an object, or a style. When you are done, press Enter. Grok will start generating results. You will see multiple images appear based on your prompt. Look through them and select the one you like the most. Once you have chosen an image, you have a few options. You can share it with others or download it to your device. If you want, you can also make a video from that image. To do this, click on Make Video. You can give Grok additional instructions or prompts about how you want the video to look. After some time, Grok will process your request and generate a video based on your image and instructions. You can then watch, download, or share the video as you like. This is a simple way to turn your ideas into images or videos using Grok Imagine. Thanks for watching.